Disclaimer: the following video is a work of fiction and is solely for entertainment purposes. In addition, the tones in this video are valid EAS tones. Do not play these tones over the air as it will cause mass panic and confusion. Doing so will result in you receiving a $1 million fine, or hell, even jail time. You have nobody to blame but yourself.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is NBC 10. We will continue to serve the Philadelphia area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Philadelphia area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations have been halted during this emergency. This is NBC 10. We will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Philadelphia area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by.
The following message has been given authorization for release at the request of myself, the United States Government, the United States Department of Homeland Security, the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Effective as of 1:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. My fellow Americans, this is a very sour Christmas for all of us. As of 12 a.m., reports of suspicious packages delivered by St. Nick, or most would call Santa, have been reported across the country. It is now confirmed that these packages contain nuclear devices capable of wiping areas completely off the map. These presents were first sighted in Christmas trees in many homes across the nation. Several reports of nuclear explosions caused by the presents have been received all throughout the United States, with more explosions expected to occur at any time. Santa Claus has gone bad. Fallout is already spreading throughout many areas across the country. It is with a heavy heart that I advise all my people to immediately seek a fallout shelter, if any is available. If no fallout shelter is available nearby, contact authorities and they will immediately lead you to a safe and secure shelter set up by our government. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout can result in severe health issues. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Make sure your shelter has as few windows and doors as possible. Seal up all opening spaces in your shelter, as to prevent fallout from leaking in. Make sure you have an adequate set of supplies. such supplies should be non-perishable food and water, blankets and pillows, a first aid kit with medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Remain in your shelters until the all-clear is given. My fellow Americans, this may be one of the most catastrophic events we have experienced in a long time, but this is not the end. The United States will continue to thrive despite this event. We will prove to the world that we are truly one nation under God. Thank you. This ends my message. May God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. We now return to the emergency alert system.
This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. Normal programming will be suspended until further notice. Please monitor any news sources to receive any updates on this national crisis.